go ride the train?
Yes.
You excited? Are you excited?
He's a donut, Mike. He's a donut.
Thank you. What do you want to eat?
You can go buy some donut.
Okay, we buy some. Okay, be careful. Be nice.
Today we learn about occupation. Mom, today we learn about occupation.
Occupation, okay. What is your occupation? Blah.
Police.
Oh, you're a police. Occupation. How about Papa? What is Papa's occupation?
No, Papa. Today we learn about sea creatures.
Okay.
Sea creatures.
What's
Octopus.
sea creatures. Okay, octopus, and then
Jellyfish.
jellyfish,
Shell.
shell.
Clownfish.
I don't know that.
Clownfish.
Okay. What else?
Starfish.
Starfish.
A crab. Pinch. Pinch. Crab. Pinch.
What else? How about shark?
Shark.
How about dolphin?
Dolphin.
How
Whale.
about
The
whale?
whale.
Yeah.
How about a turtle?
Yeah, a turtle.
The turtle can swim.
What do you think?
The turtle can swim.
Yeah, I can.
See.
Can you swim, Sandra? Can you swim? E. Dirty.
What? Answer.
Let's wait for the train.
Of course, we have to wait for the train, and then you have to be nice and sit down properly, please.
And don't go on the railroad.
Yeah, of course. Wait, Kirker asked me where I can get this one, the duyan, the swing. Buy the swing. For he's working there. He work, if have a break, he can just lay down.
Look lah the
Lazada kya na. Doy katarong. Fast.
That's the high-speed train.
Oh yeah, how do you know? How do you know the high-speed train? Okay, let's learn about the train.
Streetcar.
Okay.
Computer train.
Commuter train.
The city train.
Intercity train.
High-speed train.
High-speed train.
Maglev.
Okay.
Monorail.
Okay.
Hi.
Cable car.
Okay.
Steam train.
Okay.
Freight train. And car. Subway train.
Subway train.
Token train.
What else? That's it? That's it? That was fast, right? Were you scared? Chanti What is chanti, babe?
That's the high-speed train.
Oh, that was the high-speed train.
What's
Thunder.
Good, very good.
Okay, you stay because dangerous to go there.
How are you? That's the high-speed
How old?
train.
Yeah, how old are you? He asked. How old are you?
5. You're 5
5.
years old.
I'm 5 years old. Okay. Your birthday? When is your birthday?
December 28, 2014.
Good job.
No.
Let's see what is his reaction. We're about to wash the car. Ooh. Ah, look at that, Sander. Wow. See? His head is there. Look at his head. You enjoy?
Put the soap. See, put the soap. Shampoo. See.
Wow. Say hi here first. Hi, guys.
Here.
Look at the camera. Here.
Look, camera.
Behind you. See? Are you excited? Look at our car. We're going to wash the car. Wow. Look at that. Woo. Uy. See, he enjoy. How? Wow. Look at that. Are you scared? Wow. Yeah, it's hot today, so it's better, you know, clean. Wash the car.
Come on.
It's clean now.
Wow, it's so clean now.
Yes.
Get like three monster truck and one bus. This kid. You just came here. He got all the thing. Now he open it.
See.
Slowly, slowly. Why are you so serious?
See the face is so serious.
Let's see what you got.
Papa found this one, you know.
Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Wow, what's that? What's that? What's that? Show me. Wow.
What this?
Collection. What's
no,
that?
This is a sticker. Okay,
Oh, that's a sticker. Wow. That's a nice bus. What's that bus? What do you call that?
Carbon digger bus. Look, Mama, look. Okay, I put the sticker. Come. This one. Oh, you put here. No. Come.
Oh, he wants to open the other one. Okay, what's that? Okay. Oh, he wants his favorite color first. Wow. Oops. Uh-oh. Wow, show me in the camera. Show me. Wow. He's very serious. Show me what you got. What color is that?
The bus, you do one? Okay, one more.
So serious, you know.
Yeah, this one.
So we have to open it here because he cannot wait to open it in the house. So, wow! What's the color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Okay, you put here. I want show me here. Wow.
Red.
Yeah, what's that? Brrr. You really like the red one. Wow. That's nice. Ooh.